Hey friends, if notifications are missing from the Action Center after a Windows update, then please watch this video. Now these are the notifications. I actually disable them because I don't like notifications. But if you are not getting notifications and you want them, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select notifications in the right pane, expand this, expand notifications, make sure that the switch is on, make sure that all of these check boxes are checked, make sure that the second switch associated with do not disturb is off, make sure that there is no focus session in progress because a focus session data is notifications. Okay, and this is all you need to do. This will fix the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.